They will definitely, brother, please try to learn.
Sir.
Yes, try to learn.
Please,
Yes,
please.
shout, shout.
Please.
That's the only thing you know. I have not told anybody to stay here.
Please.
Don't talk like a stupid, sir.
अगर असंसदीय हुआ तो लेकिन आपने भी क्वेश्चन ठीक नहीं पूछा। आपने भी क्वेश्चन अच्छा नहीं पूछा गौरव जी। अगर कुछ असंसदीय हुआ तो चेयर को अधिकार है ना, आप इनको बोलने तो दो।
Take the side of this common man.
No, please.
I so
श्री अभिजीत गंगोपाध्याय जी। श्री अभिजीत गंगोपाध्याय जी।
पहली बार
for giving me this opportunity to speak in the parliament of this country. I express my thanks to our leader Narendra Modi ji and all other senior leaders and all my friends here. This is my maiden speech in this house. For the whole day, since when the budget debate has started today, I am hearing this. But I never understood how the opposition who are attacking this budget could say such superficial words in respect of the budget. This is, after all, a budget of a country which is a sovereign country, and not only that, a democratic country. They should know first that, or they should have noted this first, that in this budget, first, there is a reduction in the standard reduction in income tax. None of them have indicated, for the reason I understand that in any budget, the opposition will never speak or never praise the budget, whatever be the foolishness there in their speech, they will say all. But they are, after all, seasoned leaders, unlike me, who is coming from a judiciary, a judicial character or career for last nearly 30 years or more. This standard deduction, when it has been reduced, they should know that this will bring a huge quantity of money from the coffer of the employed persons. Why I am saying from the employed persons? Because the standard deduction is applicable only to the employed persons who are mostly middle class and lower middle class people, and it is not applicable to the businessman. So when a large amount of money will come to this market, a huge demand will be made, will come in the market along with the money. I do not want to compare it with the bottled demon, because some persons want to keep the demon again in the bottle. But however, this is a hugely powerful wave which will come in this market, pumping into the industries, then to the agricultural sector, raising demand. The demand will be raised. Now here, what I have not heard from the opposition, any single sentence from economy or economics. They are all strewn with the data, data and data. So how my learned friends of the opposition missed this point? Neither they were seeing the woods nor they were seeing the trees. They are only rebuking the budget proposal. When the banking sector will get extra money, they will definitely, brother, please try to learn.
Sir.
Yes, try to learn. You do not know, please try to learn. Yes.
Please,
Yes.
please, please.
Shout, shout.
Please.
That's the only thing you know. Yes, that's the only thing you know. Howling, howling and howling. That's the only thing you know, I understand, by these 2-3 days.
Please carry on.
Yes. So I must ignore the shouting.
Yes.
So I request them to learn if it is not known to them. When huge amount of money will come to the market in the form of investment, new industries will be grown, will be set up for serving the extra demand. This demand-supply equation, which will come into the market from the unleashed, pumped, huge amount of money from the middle class, lower middle class section, it will definitely change the face of the economy, which my learned friends were missing. As I have said, they were missing the woods and also missing the tree, everything.
Okay, please come. आप 1 मिनट में समाप्त कीजिए. Please, please.
अरे पहली बोल रहे बोलने दीजिए सर.
Major speech.
Who want me to conclude? I have not told anybody to stay here. Please don't talk like a stupid, sir.
Please, please.
अरे बोलो भी बैठिए.
You neither know Gandhi, you neither know Gandhi, nor
Gaurav ji,
nor Godse.
please. Let us see the procedure.
Please,
We'll see the
please.
procedure. We'll see the
Please keep
procedure.
your
Please,
mouth
please,
shut.
please. Okay.
Please keep your
sit
mouth
down.
shut.
Please sit down.
Than to open it and be thought a fool.
Gaurav ji, please sit down. We'll see the word. We'll see the word. आप continue
I
करो.
will request my learned friends, very learned friends,
आप please बैठिए. आप please. मैं बोल दिया है.
to
Please बोल दिया है.
understand.
बोल दिया है. Excuse गौरव जी.
I refer-
Please. माननीय मंत्री जी. माननीय मंत्री
I'll
जी.
refer to
Please. गौरव जी. Please. आप please sit down. Please.
पूछा ऐसा है कि अगर कोई असंसदीय शब्द हुआ तो चेयर को अधिकार है.
मैं बोल नहीं दिया.
नहीं, अगर असंसदीय हुआ तो लेकिन आपने भी क्वेश्चन ठीक नहीं पूछा. आपने भी क्वेश्चन अच्छा नहीं पूछा गौरव जी. आपको ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना चाहिए था. अभी ये बजट पे बात कर रहे थे, आपने ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा. अगर कुछ असंसदीय हुआ तो चेयर को अधिकार है ना. आप इनको बोलने तो दो. आप रोक कैसे सकते हो? आप बोलिए.
आप प्लीज
the budget also
हम देख
proposes.
लेंगे.
The budget also proposes.
एक मिनट अनपार्लियामेंट्रियन वर्ड यूज हुआ है तो हम निकाल देंगे। प्लीज आप
because it is the labor intensive technique which gives maximum employment to the unemployed people.
बोल दिया है, हम बोल दिया।
To point 42 at page 8 that MSMEs help them grow and also compete globally as mentioned in the interim budget.
बैठे प्लीज, मैं सुनता हूँ। हाँ, एक मिनट बैठे।
I'll draw.
हाँ बैठिए। हाँ बैठिए। हाँ बैठिए। आप सब बैठिए पहले। मैं समझता हूँ बात को क्या है। आप बैठिए। मैं विषय को समझता हूँ। एक मिनट, उसी विषय को समझता हूँ। पहले प्लीज बैठे, प्लीज। क्या विषय था बताइए। आप बताओ क्या विषय था। एक मिनट गौरव जी, एक मिनट।
अध्यक्ष महोदय,
हाँ,
यहाँ पर
क्या बोला शब्द बताओ। आप तो
आप मार्शल से पूछे,
क्या बोला।
आप मार्शल से पूछे,
आप बताइए ना क्या बोला।
आप मार्शल से पूछे।
आप बताइए ना क्या बोला ऐसा।
सर ये आप इनसे पूछे और आप रिकॉर्ड देख लीजिए।
नहीं, मैं देख लूंगा। मैं देख लूंगा। Honorable member.
Yes. I'll draw my attention to page 10 of the budget speech, to paragraph 51. Here
मैं देखता हूँ।
it has been stated internship in top companies. Now an internship allowance of ₹5,000 per month along with a one-time assistance of ₹6,000 will be given to the intern. So when this extra amount again will come to the market, it will again create demand and it will again create investment. So this is a budget proposal for the common man. The other day, one gentleman was playing with the picture of Lord Shiva. Instead of taking shelter under Lord Shiva, he should take the side of this common man.
No, please. No.
I saw this common man.
No, please नहीं.
Instead of playing under the picture of Lord Shiva, their leader Mr. Spaghetti.
उनको समझा रहे हो तो आपके नेता को समझाओ, वो भी फोटो लेके बहुत आते हैं। उनको मैंने टोका है, उनको भी टोका, इधर भी टोकेंगे। नो, ऐसा नहीं है। उनको भी रोका है, इधर भी रोकेंगे। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। कोई को पोस्टर लेके आने की इजाजत नहीं है। 8 बज गई है। 8 बजने वाली, खत्म होने वाला समय। मैंने उसको कार्रवाई से निकाल दिया है।